Hey everybody, I am coming to you with the real estate market numbers in San Diego for the month of October. And I'm in a beautiful spot by the Dana Hotel in Mission Bay. And so the first thing that I wanted to share with you, again, we've been normalizing. Finally, there's been a little bit of change in what's been going on in our market. So I'll explain what that means. New inventory is down 11.56%. Pending inventory is also down 10.15%. Median price points down slightly by 5 grand to $1,050,000 for a single family detached home. Days on market, we crept up a little bit, 7 days to 34, and months of inventory, we're at 2.4 months of inventory. So all in all, for single family detached homes, we have about 4,850 homes roughly on the market. So what is all this saying? New inventory is down, so less people are deciding to put their houses on unless they have to sell, right? So that's how I want you to interpret this. If there's necessity, if there's strong reason, people will do it. People aren't just testing the market to test the market as much as they were. So the pending inventory, we're down a little bit as well, but nothing dramatic. But you just can't sell the tough stuff and expect to get a premium. So you also have to be very careful with what you're putting on the market and how you're pricing it. And as you can see, the median price point is down slightly. So not very much, only 5 grand, but you have to price accurately. If you do not price accurately right now, you're not going to get the offers that you want unless you're in what I would call a bullseye area. So months of inventory is still super low, 2.4 months of inventory. Again, what does that mean? Our absorption rate in a healthy market, there's about 5 months of absorption, if not one more house came on the market. So we're half of that. Peak COVID levels, we were at 2 weeks or 0.5. So we're about 5 times that, but 2.4 months of inventory is still super low. The market is still robust. It's happening. June, July, August, kind of September, we started coming back a bit. But for a few months, the market was just tanked. Nothing was happening. Nobody knew what was going on with tariffs, what the market was going to do. Stock market was kind of up and down and all over the place. I mean, there was a lot of confusion, but now we're normalizing. And what do people do after a certain period of time where things are kind of status quo? We get back to things that we do. We don't panic as much or look over our shoulder. So I expect the last quarter and first quarter of next year to really start popping. That's my prediction. Because again, we're still looking at rates coming down. So if anybody wants to talk about buying or selling and putting strategy together or just having a conversation about real estate, I'm always here for all of those things. Till we hit November, have a fantastic Halloween. Catch you all soon.